Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Z Game Studio. Today in this tutorial I will teach you how we can resolve a very common problem when building our project in Unity 3D, that is Java.lang exception. So before we start, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Also hit the bell icon. So let's start. As you see, this is the error message on my screen, so I can close this pop-up message firstly. Here in the console window you can see all the errors about Java.lang exception. This is all the errors about Java.lang exception. So what we can do first to resolve it, that is very simple. We can go to the project window and right click on the asset folder and go to the project directory, and then go to the library folder, open the B folder, and then right click on the Android folder and delete it. After that we can come back to Unity again and rebuild the project. Okay, here you can see the project building are done. Hope you guys will fix this common issue. So don't forget to like my video and also subscribe my channel. If you guys need any help about Unity game development, you can contact me on Fiverr. I will drop my contact link in description. Thank you and stay blessed always and keep learning. Thank you so much.